Hey everyone, it's Irvin here, Team with Irvin. Welcome to another week. This is the last week of year 2019, making today a December 29, 2019. But we're gonna be trading the week of December 30th to January 3rd, 2020. So I want to thank all the followers for being faithful to our YouTube channel, looking up our setup and so on. And if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel, please do so by clicking the bell notification below. All our video, all our analysis are completely free, and just want to let you know we use our triple arrow system. If you're not a member of the triple arrow system, the link will be on the description of this video. On all our YouTube video, the description is in there, so you are more than welcome to take a look at it if you want to join us. Okay, but the triple arrow is the best system in the world. Okay, another thing, guys, if you haven't subscribed to our Facebook, please do so by going to Forex USA group, and right there you're gonna get more notification when we post videos, setups, and so on. All right, another thing that I want to make sure everybody knows is I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader looking to squeeze hundreds and hundreds of pips out of the market by following our rules. We have rules on how to use the triple arrow. I do not use any silly indicators and none of that. So when you come with me doing the top analysis, we focus 100% on triple arrow, and that's what you pay for it. That's all what you need to supposed to be learning. The more distraction you have on your chart, you will never get it. You will be frustrated and so on. So I want you to know the way how I trade is very clean, very straightforward, to the point, and that's why I've been trading with you guys live for the past 6 months. And as everybody knows, in the past 6 months, I had lost only 4 trades, and you were here with me watching it, doing it. So the way how I do it is I come on Sunday, do my analysis, I drop it on the chat room, and then we come back on Wednesday, and Wednesday we reanalyze it, and that's how I come up with the 6-month winning ratio with only 4 losses. So it's very, very proud of the work that we do here behind scenes, and just want to let you know that. Okay, and want to make more money, make me your mentor if you want to do that. That's the only way you can do it. We all need a mentor in life, but that's the only way if you really want to make money. Want to make money on 2020, then you need to find a mentor. You can hire me, you can hire somebody else, but we all need mentors somehow. Okay, that's one thing. And remember one thing, doesn't cost anything to be enthusiastic, guy, but it will cost you everything if you are not. Let me repeat that again. It doesn't cost anything to be an enthusiastic, but it will cost you everything if you are not. So make sure you get well educated. Okay, that's one thing that I think everybody should know. One app that I think I always remind you guys, and I will keep doing it, is some of you guys said, Irvin, can you skip the my Forex hours and so on in the other apps that I always mention it. And let me tell you guys, all what I do here is completely free. If you get it free, please don't complain. If one day I will charge you, yes, you can tell me don't teach me that, because I already know. But remember, you're not the only one in this channel. There's many more that are coming in, and there's some others that don't even know that they can use my Forex hours to check the market hours time, the alarms that comes on the market, real-time chart, and there's so many tools that you can see. You can check the London, the New York, the Tokyo, Sydney, and the Frankfurt. So it's plenty good information that I think everyone should have it in there. Okay, so please don't complain if you are getting it free. Okay, I will never charge you for this because there's no reason to charge you. Okay, the only thing that you want to get is, if you want to get a triple arrow, then that's different. That's a paid program. Okay, the next app that I think everyone should have it, which is very important, is my Forex hours. And that one, everyone need to know that all the pairs that I'm gonna be analyzing today are subject to change based on the news that are gonna be coming this coming fiscal year 2020. So 2019 is gone. So thank you so much for joining me all this and giving me a great feedback on 2019, and let's make 2020 one of the best year. And remember, if the only way to make money in life or anything is we all need a mentor, someone that have already done this game is what you need to do. You need to hire someone so it can teach you what they're doing and successfully. All right, so one thing that I think is important. Anything, guys, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please click the bell notification below so you will know when we keep posting new videos. All right, so let's get to work and let's see what is the analysis for this coming week, which is today is December 29, 2019, making today a Sunday, and we're gonna analyze these pairs this week, which is gonna be starting tomorrow, December 30th, 2019, and ending the week on January 3rd, 2020, which is on Friday. So welcome, happy new year. I want to wish everyone success and success and success, and hopefully all your dreams come true this year. If you're struggling in Forex, please find a mentor. Okay, I will be leaving my link below if you want to hire me so I can teach you how to use the triple arrow using my rules. And I do have a blueprint on how I teach my stuff, so it's not like you're gonna be alone. Okay, all right, let's get to work, guys. So I'm very excited for this week. We're gonna start with Australian dollar versus our US dollar. This is done on H4. I love using H4, guys. I really do. Let me highlight this so you can have it in there. You can see it. All right, so what I'm expecting to see this coming week? What I'm expecting to see here is a formation of, hopefully could be a triple arrow. If not, it's fine. But what I want you to pay attention here, I'm looking to maybe 3 more candles before the market drop and give us a pullback, retesting our 23 to our 38 Fibonacci line before the market goes up. But remember, the overall of Australian dollar versus the US dollar is a bullish market. So if you're gonna be trading against the pullback, make sure you grab a few pips, between 10 to 40 pips if you want, and get out. Just a reminder, guys, the month of January is gonna be very slow. So in my opinion, if you can secure 10 to 20 pips, please do so. All right, so because a lot of you guys are doing it successfully, I'll be saying it for the month of December, and I'm getting a lot of feedback saying thanking me for saying this, and I just follow the rule, guys. Follow what other people are already doing, and you're gonna be fine. If you're struggling with what you're doing, ask for help. Okay. All right, so that's my analysis for this pair. This is done on the Australian dollar versus the US dollar. Okay. So we're gonna come back on Wednesday. This coming Wednesday is gonna be, I don't even know what day it's gonna be. Probably the 2nd. If it's on the 2nd of January, most likely we're gonna skip this class. If not, I'm gonna record it back on private section, and then I will put it on the on YouTube. Okay. But I want everyone to really know what is the outcome of this week. All right, let's get to work. Let's check out Australian dollar versus the US dollar. This pair here, look at here, guys. Triple arrow is coming down, right? So that's what the first thing you always have to pay attention. All right. Oops. Let me grab this here. Look at here. Triple arrow is there. And the market is performing the same way. But remember, this market here is bullish market, guys. What I always tell guys when you guys do my one-on-one session is, when you're gonna be trading against the pullback, try to grab 20 to 40 pips. The market in here gave you exactly what my rule says, 20 to 40 pips. But everybody's saying, oh, Irvin, someone sent me a text, oh, on the EUR USD, it was bearish, but oh, suddenly it went up. Remember, the overall, this trend is bullish. Don't be upset if the market, I mean, if it's bullish, it's bullish. Your game here is to grab 20, 40 pip and be out. That's it. Don't stay on it. If you're gonna be greedy with your own account and don't respect the rule, then don't get upset. But right now the market is bullish. But it was just doing a pullback. So what I'm expecting to see this coming week, I'm expecting to see a formation of a small pullback, retesting our 0 Fibonacci to our 23, and then the market is gonna hit back. But we're gonna come back on Wednesday and reanalyze this on live session, so you guys can ask questions and we all can be in the same game. Okay, so make sure you tune in on Wednesday. Now we're gonna do our Wednesday class at 6 p.m. Eastern time. So make sure you ask questions. If you want me to show you how I do the setup, then please comment on the description of this video, so I can make a video specifically on your question so you can have it. Because I'm here to help you. Remember, if you make even $1,000 out of the market, it's not like you're gonna take that $1,000 from a bank account. So I'm not gonna be selfish and hide things. There's no point for do that, even though some people do it. And I heard that some of you are deleting your comments, and I apologize for that. I don't know what's going on behind scenes, but well, just learn what is basic. As you see here, I don't use no silly indicators, nothing like that. So learn what you need to learn, and that's it, guys. Let's keep those negative thoughts on the side and let's move on. Let's keep 2020 be the best of the best. Okay, and remember, all this is free. All right then. Let's move on to the next pair, guys. Let's go to the Australian dollar. The US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. This is done on H1. What I'm expecting to see this week, I'm expecting to see probably another candle here before the market takes off as a bullish market. But remember, the overall of this trend is bullish, guys. So in this area here, what I'm expecting to see is a potential, I'm saying a potential buying. All right, that's what I'm expecting to see this coming week in this particular area. So kind of like, pay attention to that one. But the overall, this trend is bullish. All right, so hopefully you do your analysis and everything match. But I really like this area right here, right where the market is sitting. So we can squeeze, a couple hundred pips for the month, for the first week of 2020. So hopefully this is the best of the best week that you're gonna have, grabbing 10 to 20 pip consistently. Because I want you to be a profitable trader, not just a gambling stuff here. All right, so follow the rules, guys. All right, so let's go to the USD versus the Japanese yen. This is done on H4. Look at here, guys. Tell me why the market was trending up. Can you tell? Look, it's there. See that? Triple arrow is pointing where? It's bullish. It's bullish. So that means you always need to go with the trend. Trend is your friend until their rules bend. But some of you said, Irvin, is this market is a bullish or bearish? Well, to be honest, the overall this trend is bullish, guys. It's been bullish for a while. So what am I expecting to see this coming week? I'm expecting to see a small pullback retesting our 38 Fibonacci line. And from that area, I'm expecting to see a continuation of the bullish market. Because remember, the overall of this trend is bullish. All right, so yes, in my opinion, this particular area here should be a small pullback, maybe selling, grabbing 20 pips and be out. All right, 20 pips and get out. And then from this area here, I should see a potential buy going with the trend. All right, with the master trend. In my opinion, always go with the master trend. Okay, buy equal master trend. That should be your formula. But if you guys still struggling, please let me know. My private link of my Telegram is below if you want to get a coaching. If not, it's fine with me. Okay, let's go to the next pair. Look at here. We are here on the US dollar versus the Swiss francs. We are here on H4. Market being bearish because triple arrow was giving us a direction of a bearish market. Okay, always remember that. Look at that, bearish. That's because the market was trending down. Simple as that. Then market drop. What is my analysis for this week? Well, I'm aiming here for a triple arrow formation for this coming week and the first week of January 2020. And then the market is gonna do a pullback. Remember, you're going to pull back because the master trend here is bearish. Don't get it twisted. A small pullback, triple arrow pullback, retesting R23 Fibonacci line. And from that area, most likely we're gonna see a pullback coming in with the master trend. But I don't really want to tell you anything yet. Let me delete this because I want you to come back on Wednesday and reanalyze it with me. But this is a good pair, guys. I think it's a great pair for you to take a look at it, and so we all can learn together. And remember, if you want to make more money on 2020, make me your mentor. That's the only way if you really want to get into how I do things. It's a very small fee, but it's worth it. Now remember, you can find your account for $500, $1,000. If you don't know your game, you're gonna be blowing your account. That's simple. You invest in yourself. It's your skills, nobody else. And discipline is what makes you dangerous, guy. Being disciplined to your game, it makes you very dangerous. If you don't have discipline, it will break you down. But discipline is what makes you very, very dangerous. That's one thing that I always said to my mind. So, you know, when I'm trading, so it's that straightforward. So, and you know, doesn't cost anything to be, you know, enthusiastic about trading forex, but it will cost you everything if you're not. It will cost you everything. All right, let's move on. Let's take this off and we come back on Wednesday and we're gonna reanalyze. All right, let's go and analyze our GBP versus our Japanese yen. This is done on H4. Oh, I love H4, guys. I love H4 and daily. But when I do my one-on-one, it's completely different, guys. I go beyond and I teach you everything from scratch to make you a pro. I will make you a pro to the end of this session. Guarantee on that. All right, so what I will see in this coming week for this one, look at who's here, guys. Look at who is here. Triple arrow going on 4 hours. What do you mean is the meaning of that triple arrow, guy? What do you think is doing that triple arrow? Well, if you say it's bullish, you are correct. That's exactly what the market is gonna do. So now, this coming week, I'm expecting to see, you know, a couple more candles here before the market retests our 61 Fibonacci line. And then from that point on, we're looking a continuation of the master trend as a bullish to go and retest our 23 Fibonacci line. But 2020 is gonna be a bullish market. If you don't know, you ask me. My private Telegram is below. Okay, but I'm looking for this pair to be a bullish market for 2020. Okay, all right, so hopefully you are getting If you want to share this video to other social media, please do so, guys. The more people learn, I want the world to make money. I don't want, hide things and all that stuff. Remember, even if you make $1,000, it's not like you're taking the $1,000 from a bank account. There's no way. The pie is too huge for me to hide. You go and grab pips. The world needs to change. You changing my world by allowing me to show you my skills. That's what it makes me happy, to help you. I don't want to hide anything. And trust me, even if you comment on my page, I will not delete your comment. I really love you guys. I really, really love you. Freedom of speech, man. Open your mind. Talk. Ask questions. But be free of speech. Talk. Say whatever you want. I may not agree with you all the time, but it doesn't mean I'm not going to respect you. Okay? Alright, let's go to the next one. Alright, let's go to New Zealand dollar versus our USD dollar. Alright, look at this pair here. This is a nice pair, guys. Really nice pair. What am I expecting to see for this coming week? To be honest, I'm expecting to see a triple arrow formation here. That is my goal for this 2020 year. So if that happens, then we're gonna be seeing a pullback retesting our 23.6 Fibonacci line. And obviously from that point on, I'm expecting to see a let me go here. I'm expecting to see a small pullback retesting our 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line. That is my idea for this coming year. All right, so hopefully you guys agree with me. If not, we can wrestle. You can send me a message. I will go over with you one-on-one, but I will make sure that you get it. It's not hard. It's not hard. Okay? But the market is going to be bearish. I'm going to be selling in this area. Selling. Why? Because I love it. I love it, guys. I love it. I love it. Alright, this is my sexy area here for 2020. So hopefully you are in it. And remember, don't use this analysis, guys, as signals. So if you haven't subscribed to, I just opened a new TWE Telegram group. So I'm gonna be putting some ideas in there, so you can do it. You can join that channel if you want. It's public for everyone. So I usually promote a lot on the triple arrow system in there, because I want everyone to have the triple arrow system. Triple arrow system is the best system in the world, guys. It will make you money only if you have rules, if you respect your rules. Alright? And as you see, I don't use none of those silly indicators. You don't need none of that crap in there. Learn what you pay for it. And I have a blueprint for this. The blueprint is so clear. So damn clear. Alright. Let's go to the next pair. Let's go and analyze CHF versus the Japanese yen. Again, this is done on H4. What is my analysis for this week? Well, what I'm expecting to see again on this one, guys, is I'm expecting to see a triple arrow. Where? Right here. That's where the triple arrow is supposed to be coming in. Alright? But some of you saying, why would you say it's a triple arrow formation in that area? I mean, that's the market needs to breathe. Market been bullish for a very long time. The overall trend of this market is bullish, guys. That's why the market is trending. It's respecting the overall trend. It's bullish. So now market needs to breathe. And it needs to come and retest our 23 to our 38 Fibonacci line. Alright? So that's my expectation for this week. Well, if I have to add an additional analysis, I would say it's going to come back and retest our triple arrow again. between our 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line. But remember, the overall this trend is bullish. It's simple. But let me see how many trades are we analyzing this week, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. It takes 12 trades, guys. It takes a lot of time on myself to teach you how to do the analysis. And remember, all this is free to you guys. If you haven't subscribed to our triple arrow system, the link is below. Take a look at it. We want you in. We want you to make money 2020. Let 2020 be the best year of your lifetime. Travel around the world. Money's here. But you need to have a mentor. Want to make more money on 2020? Make me your mentor. That's the only way. Alright? Alright, let's move on. So hopefully everyone is happy here. So that is the analysis for this week on our Swiss francs versus our Japanese yen. Now we're gonna go to our next pair, which is gonna be the GBP versus the New Zealand dollar. And this is done on H4 once again. So what is the overall count for this week? What I'm expecting to see on this particular one, to be honest, is I'm expecting to see a small pullback coming in. Let me do it here. Coming in, retesting our 0 Fibonacci line before the market come out and retest our 38.2 Fibonacci line before the market does a small pullback. But the overall of this trend is bullish, guys. It's bullish. So hopefully we're gonna start seeing here in this particular area here a triple arrow formation. So please pay attention. When we come on Wednesday, hopefully we're gonna see it in there. I may not remember, but I mean that's why you can put the two videos side by side and see how accurate this stuff it is. Okay. So but that is my analysis for this week. Is on the GBP NZD. We're looking for a small formation of the candles before the market retests the 38.2 Fibonacci line. But the overall of this trend is bearish. Please stay with the trend. Don't go against. And guys, I don't know if you guys knew it. I'm the IT person for the triple arrow system. Anything that it goes wrong with your system, let me know. And what I realized, guys, is when I do my one-on-one session, a lot of you guys have your template wrong, completely wrong. Don't make any sense. I don't know how you guys trading it, but there is a tutorial video, a welcome video that tell you how to do it. If you're still struggling, let me know. I'm the IT person for the triple arrow system, and I can help you anytime. All right, guys. So let's keep moving. Very excited for this coming year, and hopefully we all make tons of pips. All right. So let's go to our AUD versus our Canadian dollar. All right. So in this pair here, oops, let me fix this. So the market been bullish for a very long time, to be honest, on this one. So what am I expecting to see on this pair here? Well, what I'm expecting to see for this coming year, 2020, is gonna be a triple arrow formation. Where? Right where the market is trending. But they need more candles for us to see the triple arrow formation in there. So maybe we're gonna be seeing another 3 more candles before the market drop. And it's gonna retest our 23 to our 0 Fibonacci line. Or most likely, to be honest. Let me redo this guy. Let me highlight this. We're gonna bring it down. We're gonna put it right here on our 23.6 Fibonacci line. And remember, guys, if you guys not using trailing stop, please do so. I always said it's good to use between 20 to 60 trailing stop, and market will never, it will always reward you. But if you don't put trailing stop, you're gonna be out of luck. So pay attention to this area here, but in my opinion, this is gonna be a good one to be in a sell, because the market needs to breathe. So remember, the market been bullish for a very long time. So I'm probably what I'm be looking in this area is a sell. Okay. Any question, guys? Well, if you have any question, come on Wednesday and ask me the question. I will be here waiting for you, making sure you learn how to use triple arrow. Again, I don't use no silly indicators, guys. It is what it is. Clean. It's clean, clean, clean. Straightforward to the point. I don't need to confuse you with so many crap on it. Don't make no sense. Alright, let's go to GBP Canadian. I'm doing a lot of GBP, guys. And remember, all this is analysis. It's not like you have to signal. This is not signal. No, we got signal provider if you want to. This is not signal. This is just an educational purpose video. You can go back to your rules and match it. If you want one of this and match your rules, you can do whatever you want with the data. The data is yours. I already did the hard work. You don't have to do anything. All you gotta do is match it with your rules. But here on the GBP Canadian dollar, this market here has been bullish for a very, very, very long time. Very long time. So what am I expecting to see on this week? I'm expecting to see a pullback retesting our 38.2 Fibonacci line before the market gives us another pullback, retesting our 50 Fibonacci line. That's what I'm aiming for this week on this one. I don't know what you're thinking about it. Go back to your chart and check it. The overall, this trend has been bullish for a very long time. Very long time. Okay? Hopefully you are with me. But look here. It seems like it's forming a triple arrow in this area. I don't like it, but it's there. So always aim for a small pullback, guys. Always remember this. When you're gonna go against the master trend, aim for 20, 40 pips. If you don't know how to do that, hire me as your mentor. If you know how to do it, I'm happy for you. Remember, there's plenty of pips available on the market. If you make $1,000, it's not you taking 1,000 from me. No. I will be more than happy to see you winning, so you can help your family take it to the next level financially. But we all need to be on the same page, guys. There should not be any selfish, hiding things, deleting things and all that stuff. No. Let's all make pips together. Okay? Triple arrow is the best system in the world, guys. Best system. Best system. And always will be. I think it was the best system in 2019. Now it's gonna get even better for 2020. The new system of triple arrows coming in. And it's gonna be free for all those members that are already on our group. If you haven't signed up yet, the link is below. You're gonna get the new triple arrow system updated, more accuracy. It's gonna kill the market. 2020 is gonna be the best year ever. But you're the only one who make the decision to change your life, not me. I'm here to teach you, to show you how I do things. But if you want to change your life, your style, travel around the world, you're the one who make that decision. The key is in your hands. All you gotta do is drive. Drive your success, drive your future, wherever you want to go. No one can stop you. There's no limit. There's no limit for anything. Everything is in your mindset. When you say you want things to get done, you do it because your mind wants you to do it. It's not because I want you to do it. No. I mean, I'm here to teach you how to read the chart. I said. All right, I get very excited, guys. I really do. I mean, my apologies. Okay. But 2020, I'm so excited for 2020. Happy New Year. Happy 2020. Feliz Año Nuevo. For those that speak Spanish, those that speak Portuguese, all the stuff. So I can teach in many different languages. I speak 3 languages. You want me to let you know, then put a comment below. Let's go ahead and wrestle this. This is not hard, dude. This is not hard. This is your year. 2020 have to be your year. Go ahead, aim $200,000-$300,000 by the end of 2020. You're gonna see the world in different eyes, never seen before. All right, let's go to the last pair here. This is done on EUR NZD. All right, this is a bearish market on this pair. So what am I expecting to see for this coming year 2020? To be honest, I'm aiming here for a triple arrow formation in this area. Right? Let me make it big so you can see it. It's a triple arrow formation in this area. Why? Because the market been bearish for a while already. So what do you think the market is gonna do? It needs to breathe, guy. It needs to breathe. So you need to take it like a full stop and say, you know what? I need to go the other side. So yes, what I'm seeing is for this coming 2020 year, we're gonna be seeing a pullback. Don't think it's gonna be a bullish market for a very long time and it's gonna take off crazy. No. Remember, it's gonna be a pullback. And then the market is gonna continue how it's supposed to go. It's gonna go bearish because the market is bearish. And there will be a lot of new setup, guys. A lot of new overall trends for 2020. It will be a lot, so please pay attention. There will be a lot of great setups. So, and plus the new system that, like I mentioned about the triple arrow, is gonna blow your mind, guys. It's gonna be amazing, amazing. So once again, guys, you know, it doesn't cost anything, to be honest, to be an enthusiastic person, enthusiastic about trading forex, but it will cost you everything if you are not. So be happy, learn new skills, let 2020 be your best year ever. It doesn't cost anything to be happy, guys, but it will cost you everything if you're not. Okay, so please be disciplined. By being disciplined is what makes you dangerous in life, in everything you will touch, everything you will see. By being disciplined, it will make you dangerous. Never ever forget that. Alright, so you guys have any question? Well, come back on Wednesday and let's do it together. But I think this is the best thing you're gonna ever have, guys. 2020 has to be your year, guys. Okay, it has to be your year. Okay, guys, so I want to thank you again, once again, for coming in and looking forward seeing you back on, when do you think it's gonna be back? Back on Wednesday, right? So looking forward to seeing you and take care, guys.